Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up and sell digital products on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, to sell digital products, you're going to go into products and services, go into products and click add a product. You can import a list of products if you have it. However, I'll just go ahead and add a new product. Service and download are pretty much the two types of product you're going to be using. Mainly download if you want to sell actual digital files, for example, images, artwork, programs, games, whatever it is you're selling. So just click on download and that should be good. Now you can set up your product. You can add a name. I'll just name it test 3, add some random text. You can add images if you want. However, what you're going to need to do is under inventory, you're going to add the file you want your people to download, set the price. I'll add it to 5 Norwegian crowns. You can set up a sale if you want to. However, I'm not going to be doing that. And then you can set up other things such as your SEO or your site. You can also modify the social share if you want. You can edit this to have your site more accessible and more easily found on the internet. You can set up checkout options if you want custom forms and custom buttons. It is completely up to you. Selling tools, you can also use them if you're eager to do so, and you can set up categories and tags for your products if you want. But once you're done with that and once you've uploaded your file, I don't have a file to upload. I'll just upload a random image because why not? For example, this image right here. Now we have the file, and then you can click save or publish it immediately. If you save it, it's not going to be published. It won't be available to download, so just click publish immediately if you want it immediately to be sold. And as you can see, it's going to arrive in your downloads section. As you can see, test 3 is there, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.